my name is Christina and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've seen any of my previous videos. So today I'm doing a little Valentine's Day vlog. It's actually only February 13th right now, but I thought it would be fun to show you guys what I'm doing today. I'm celebrating Valentine's Day today with my mom and my sister. We're gonna have like a little girls' night, and I think I'm gonna take like a cute Valentine's Day photo, so I'll do a little get ready with me. Let's see, what do I have going on today? So it's currently 10:15 and I just ate breakfast, had some oatmeal, and I worked out this morning. And now I'm actually just waiting for it to warm up because it's like 18 degrees outside Fahrenheit and it's so cold. But I need to run to the grocery store and get some supplies for later. Other than that, I am going to be making a strawberry shortcake for my mom because that's her favorite dessert. So I'm gonna try to make it homemade. I'm so nervous for it, but hopefully it turns out good. I'll show you guys the process, and then I'm going to order some food tonight and watch a movie. But for now, that's all I'm up to. But I decided to go ahead and go to the store because I really didn't feel like waiting for it to get super warm outside. So I'm just gonna head to the grocery store and probably the drugstore and get just a few things that I need for the strawberry shortcakes that I'm making. And I'm also gonna buy some like Valentine's Day candy for my family. And I just wanted to update you guys. So I just got back from the grocery store and the drugstore, and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, starting with the grocery store, I got some peanut butter dark chocolate granola. I got these vegan biscuit things to put in your coffee. I wanted to try this out. It's juice. It has ashwagandha in it, and it's meant to like keep you calm. I don't know about that, but I want to try it. And then I got just some nuts. I think there's just almonds and cashews in here. And then I got some strawberries. This is so random, but I got these noodles. Just wanted to try them. And then I got 2 avocados, and I got these 2 drinks. So they're both like energy drinks. And this one's in wild berry, and then this one is in pear boost. So I'm gonna have one of these today, and then I'll have one of these tomorrow, and then I'll let you guys know how they are. And the other 2 things I got were from the drugstore, and I just got this papaya hair mask. My hair's been super dry lately. And then I just got this dry shampoo from Batiste, but it's also meant to hydrate, so we will see if it actually works. So right now I am going to do my makeup, and I'll show you guys a little bit of the process. I'm not gonna do like a full makeup. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for a pink smoky eye, and I might even do a red eyeliner. Just gonna do a little montage of my makeup. I just used like every pink shade out of this ColourPop Sailor Moon palette. I really like it. It's pretty like intense, and I can't decide if I want to do black liner or if I want to do red, because I think red would look so cool. But I don't know. I'll get back to you guys and I'm gonna show you the finished eye look in a minute. So here's my finished eye look with mascara, and I decided to go for black eyeliner. I just dropped something. I think it looks cute. So yeah, there's that. I think the look would be more put together if I had false lashes, but I don't have any right now, and I really don't feel like putting them on either. So I'm just gonna finish off the look with a lipstick or lip gloss. Here is my finished hair and makeup look. I just did these 2 braids and straightened my hair, and they took me way too long to do for how simple they are, but let's see. Okay, I feel like this natural lighting is a bit better. So I just did this, and now I'm gonna go pick out my outfit and then probably just like take some fun pictures just for myself, really, because I think dressing up for Valentine's Day is still fun even if you are single. I'm liking the way that my makeup turned out. I think it's pretty cute. So I will show you guys my outfit once I have it picked out. Alright, so I picked out an outfit that I'm gonna take like a cute Valentine's Day photo in. So I have on this mesh shirt from TK Maxx actually, and then I have on this dress from Free People, and I'm just wearing socks. I'm not even gonna bother putting on shoes. So if you want to see how the photos turned out, you can go to my Instagram, but I'm just gonna take some photos now and yeah, just play around with it and have fun, and we'll see how they turn out. Okay, I'm just coming on here to end off the video. I hope that you enjoyed those clips of me making my strawberry shortcake, and hope that you enjoyed this video and that you have a happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching.